Crave a brighter smile without the burn of peroxide or the discomfort of sensitivity? Meet Hismile PAP Plus Teeth Whitening Kit. It's the secret weapon to dazzling teeth with a breakthrough PAP Plus formula that safely eliminates stains from your natural teeth in a mere 10 minutes per session. Imagine enjoying up to 6 sessions in the comfort of your own home, thanks to the included LED device and mouth tray. Kickstart your journey to a whiter smile by brushing your teeth thoroughly for 2 minutes at night. Then, using one of the provided pods, apply an equal amount of gel to the top and bottom of the tray. Press the button on the LED device to power it on and place it in your mouth. Sit back, relax, and let it work its magic for 10 minutes until it automatically switches off. After that, simply spit out any surplus gel and rinse your mouth with water. To maintain your newly spruced up smile, steer clear of stain-causing food and drinks like coffee, tea, wine, and chocolate for 48 hours post-session. A whitening toothpaste can also help keep your teeth sparkling. Remember, if you've got dental work such as veneers, caps, implants, or bridges, it's best to check with your dentist before using this kit, as these may not whiten like your natural teeth.